everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters. Well, I have an exciting new NASCAR Cup Series car kit to share with you today. This is brand new, hot off the presses from Salvinos JR. This is the brand new Chase Elliott 2022 Camaro. This is a super highly popular kit that everyone has been talking about. They have a whole series of these coming out, and we were lucky enough to get one of the very first ones coming off the production line. Now, I don't know a heck of a lot about NASCAR, but I do know someone who does, and I'm going to introduce him right now. You might know him as Lucas C. He is going to open this up with me, and we're going to show you all the parts inside. So, let's get started. Okay guys, here is a look at the box art on it, and I'm going to give you just a quick little look at this. Here we go. These are some of the new kits that will be coming out from them very, very soon. And now I'm going to bring in Lucas C here just for a minute, and he's going to explain to me, and maybe some of you who don't know, what is so exciting and new about this 2022 Chevrolet Camaro.
Well, actually, it's really simple. This car, from the bottom of the tires all the way to the roof and bumper to bumper, is completely new. There is nothing from any of the cars they used to race in NASCAR Cup Series from the past, from last season on back. There's nothing from those cars. It's completely new, totally new design. Everything about it is different, from the fact that they don't even have a solid axle in back. It's independent suspension, and they use bigger wheels, and it's just more modern.
Okay guys, we're going to jump right in and take a look at the body on this car.
And a really cool thing that they did is the pigment that they put into the plastic is color matched to Napa Blue that's on the actual race car.
So in theory, you could just go ahead, build it, decal it, and then clear coat the entire thing. And there's some more things we'll talk to you about that if you want to build it right out of the box without even painting it. We're also going to take a look at the hood here. Just like that. And Luke is going to obviously jump in from time to time if he sees anything that he wants to point out to you. Here we have our chassis.
And as you notice, you're going to be seeing that each sections of this car is colored, and all these pieces here are what would be black or carbon fiber on the real cars. So
just like Tamiya.
Just like Tamiya. That's exactly what they wanted to do.
Okay, we've got our silver aluminum color sprues right here. One of the headers fell off here, but it is in the box over there. And you see all the parts that are done up in this kind of like a brushed aluminum color. We've got part of the frame, the bumpers. Looks like this is part of the rear transmission, as well as like the rotors, things like that. And we're also going to take a look at the second sprue in here that is done up in the metal color. We've got our engine parts, suspension.
Beautiful suspension. Look at those coil springs and coil over shocks. That's the stuff I love.
And then we're going to lead right into the, that part fell off the other sprue. But so we have our white pieces now. So it looks like it's the inside of the doors, correct?
It's inside the doors, all your chassis, roll cage, the frame of the car.
Just like that. And you saw this piece came along for the ride. This is actually part of the other sprue.
Part of the roll cage there.
Yep, just like that. And then finally we have the last one here. Some more of the inside parts.
Yep. If you flip it around, you can see that that's the inside of the doors. You see the bars.
Oh,
right
yes,
there.
okay, yes.
It's all what protects the driver. And all that on the actual cars are white. So
like you were saying earlier, all of the parts are dyed in the right color plastic, so you are ready to put this together right away. And the last bit of plastic that we're going to take a look at here before we get to the decals and instructions are all of the clear parts. Looks like the, just see in there, looks pretty clear. Very nice looking. And I'm going to jump right into the tires on this kit. They seem to be pretty soft.
Nice squishy.
Yeah.
We like squishy tires. Very, to me, alike.
How many did you get in this kit? Oh, you get 4.
Yay.
Just like that. Looks like to be nice ones. So now let's take a look at the decals and the instructions. And now we're going to take a look at the decals that come in here. And Luca was just pointing out to me, they're made by the company called Power Slide Decals. Look to be very nice looking. And you actually get 3 full sheets inside of here. And of course, this is all of the Napa livery. You can see right there. I'll let you take a look at those. And next up, we have the next set of decals. This is all of the grills. What else would you call this stuff in?
They put, on NASCAR, they just make decals on the real cars of the tail lights and headlights and grills and all that, and that's what you got. And all your black for your glass.
Perfect on that. And then finally, the last set of decals. This is something unusual, and hopefully you can see them pretty well. These are the white portions of the car. So it's all ready to go. It'll get put on right over the blue. And if you don't want to paint like we talked about earlier, you put the white pieces right onto that and then put all of your Napa and other parts right on there. And if you don't want to, you don't have to paint it and it'd be ready to go. So all 3 sets of those decals are in this kit. And of course, I always show you guys the instructions, so we'll take a quick look at those. And they're going to fight me a little bit here. So this is a single fold-out instructions. So it looks like it's pretty easy and straightforward to follow. Let you take a look at those for a second. Then we'll flip this page around. Let you see those 2 pages.
Looks like this thing goes together pretty easy. But we'll be seeing it.
And the reason we're talking about this too is if you want to see this car get built, Luca is going to do this build on his channel, the Luca C channel.
And we should have that out pretty quick because I'm planning on trucking on this one.
And then finally get right over to that. So that gives you an idea how the car will actually go together. Well, there you go, guys. There is a look in this really nice looking kit here. And the other reason we have Luca on here as well, on his channel, the Luca C channel, like I was saying earlier, he is going to start building this kit up. And you should start it actually right after you leave here.
I'm going to go home right now. I'm starting on it.
So look for his channel and he'll have a complete build of this particular kit.
Heck yeah.
So I want to take this opportunity to thank you as always for watching. And please stay tuned because we have many more videos coming.